Oh god, this is hard now. Oh my god, we're gonna get stuck at sea. Oh,
Oh my god, it feels well.
we need to get out of there. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh! I was literally here yesterday, but on the bikes. Kit captain up there. And we're on the other side. Lay.
No need to go, God.
He thinks he's cool, he's not.
The world is a garden in me.
We need a beach. We're going away from a beach. $50 points for the man, 10 points for the car. Pal,
We should have behind. We'll just stay here.
I wonder if that's the lake. Setting up camp. Kayak. I don't know. Keep going a little bit more. That's everything.
Right, we got the little tent up. We've got a bit of shade.
Put the tent up. Just. Ha ha! Get in there, galleys. I thought it was only like 15 quid that. Shall I go and do a test run, Ellie? Make sure she's staying up. Well, just in case she's not.
This is what you do there.
Safety first. What are you doing in here? Nice. Are you right there?
I don't know about putting a little ball over. I need to do this paddle because it's still not.
Oh yes. Now we're talking. Yeah, that's better. Some good views there now. Where are we going? Back? And then come back out? Give it here? Lying. Give it here. Yep. You take the wheel. Watch us for going near the reefs.
I was just checking the fucking phone.
Oh yeah. Here, Ella, stop there.
What if I should do?
Well, I'm taking you. Oh my my god. Duck fight. Duck fight. What the hell? Oh my god. Hey! Something's going on in that bush. We'll go right down here and then get all the views on the way back then. We'll take us for a drive. Oh. Isn't it mad on that Windermere Lake? Remember when I said that about if you turned it round it'll go turn the mountains upside down, that's how deep it is. It's mad though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think they are. They're going away now, we can get all this space. We're on a private lake and we're not actually meant to be on a kayak. Oh, Judy calls. Let's go and see what's in them reefs over there, Ellie. Right in front. See if we can see anything. I think we'll go for the water there, you know. You spin my head right round, right round. When you go down, down. Enjoying yourself, fella? Oh man. Go on, keep going over there and we can enjoy this place over here. I feel like there's a massive waterfall or something around that corner. You know what I mean? Come on then. That's what you call a view there. Look at that for a view, Ella. It's pretty cool. What's that, sir? No kayaks. Oh god, this is hard now. Oh my god, we're gonna get stuck at sea.
Oh my god, it feels well.
We need to get out of there. If we get some events on, go. Go. Imagine if loads of water started sinking in. Shit. You tired?
That's reversing.
It's actually easy reversing.
I've not got a good
Oh, this is horrible.
lie down, Mark.
Oh.
Lie back.
Hey. Come on, get me home. I've had enough now. Get us in, girl. Piss wet free.
No, I wouldn't even start.
Oh.
That's wise to slack. You get a fish, you won't get on it.
Oh, we've just been all
There
in.
you go. You got it. Oh, Liam, you're shite.
You are shit, lad.
You're shite.
You are shit. Ah, I see you were, lad. We're all that we've gotta be. It's a what? What the fuck is that?
Disguise that up, it will come off that. That won't come off without you touching it. I'm not touching that, that's the electric eel.
It's an electric eel. We've got an electric eel.
Get it, come on. Get it on. Come on then.
What is that?
Is it not electrocuted? Don't pick. There, come on. That's the one.
What is that? What actually is it, Dad? A Neil?
I've never actually caught an eel before.
Good on camera.
I don't think I've even seen. Have they got legs?
It's a fucking eel.
It's got little hands.
Hold the line.
Oh. Hello, girl. Are you coming in the kayak? You miss.
Got it out on camera.
What's this?
Don't try and get in. Will it just dissolve? I hope I've got it the right way.
Is there any more of these thingies? What is that big one? Is that? What are you doing, miss?
There must be some sort of walk down that way, because that's where...
Just left it there. Man, that kayak. Well. I wish you'd fucking catch one.
Just caught one.
You killed it. It's a bit cold for kayak. Yeah, he's shit. Should I set him free into the cob? Oh!
Let's go back in.
He wants, that's a sign, he wants to go back in. Let me pump. Rain. Liam's in. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? I think the worm's bigger than the fucking fish. No, I'll get this on.
Right, wait a minute. Yeah, you can, Liam.
Gonna fucking killed it again.
Ready, Luke. Sail. Lewis.
He's shouting.
Lewis.
Dad's shouting.
Guy.
What's he shouting? Get here, miss.
Come on. Just caught fish.
Be good.
Just a tiny rock.
Where is it?
Put it back.
Put it back.
Oh.
That's what it'll be, just a load of them.
Did it swim off?
Yeah.
He went, I'm in. Yeah, I'm in.
Okay.
Mum, you got to get whacked by the fucking hook.
Oh, Liam wasn't looking.
Your worms fell off, Lee. I've just watched it, look at that ripple. Do you not believe me? I got footage of it. Dickhead.
Luke. I'm going to take her out.
You look like you really want.
Why is it not a live one?
It's gonna be great.
Are you going in? Are you putting this on?
Quarter to, you've got 10 minutes.
Just put bum in first. I'll keep hold of that. You're okay. And we're in. Oh, can it see? Oh, I hope it can. Whoa! Don't rock the boat. Don't rock the boat, baby. Don't the boat. Lift the boat over. Let's go and get some views. Wow. Okay.
Should be an easy one. Oh, yes. There's not a chance that's going back in there. Jackpot, and got it in. Watch out. That red one and my one here. Got kayak that. Good little spot. Let's fucking go, man. Get started. Oh my god. I'm knackered now. Where are we going?
Please stop, you're not playing Mario Kart.
I like it though.
You've got all of our lives. Can't even lose. Oh my god. I feel like I'm having a roller coaster.
Why? I'm literally going 20 miles an
Because if
hour.
another car comes at 20 miles an hour, like, even if it just smacks the little side of your car, like...
And I'd claim, and Elliot claim, you'd have 3 people claiming on your insurance.
I would.
Liam would
claim himself. Yeah.
Can't wait to get on this little boat. Oh, on, love.
Run, Forrest, run. Lake's weekend run. Like,
Fucking missed it, mate.
like.
Our turn.